At the University of Exeter, neuroscience research is advancing our understanding of the brain, from its early development and functional architecture to its degeneration in disease and how it controls our bodies. Our work spans 4 core areas: neurodevelopment and neuropsychiatric disorders, neurodegeneration, pain, and neuroendocrinology. Each of these areas addresses complex biological questions with direct implications for human health and well-being. Whether through developing biomarkers for dementia, dissecting the neural basis of pain, or mapping gene-environment interactions in brain development, Exeter's neuroscience research is internationally collaborative and impact-focused. Understanding how the brain's architecture is established during development is key to explaining both its normal function and the origins of neurodevelopmental disorders. Our researchers are investigating the cellular and molecular mechanisms that guide the formation, specificity, and plasticity of neural circuits. This includes studying how genes and proteins regulate synapse formation, how neural networks are refined through activity, and how developmental trajectories are altered in conditions such as autism spectrum disorder.
My research focuses on how neurons form highly specific connections during brain development. These circuits are essential for normal cognition and sensory processing. So when this process is disrupted, it can contribute to a range of neurodevelopmental conditions. And by understanding how these circuits are assembled, we aim to uncover the biological basis of both healthy and atypical brain function.
Our work on neuropsychiatric disorders builds on these foundations to explore how not only our genes, but also the environment influence the development and regulation of brain circuits during critical periods, providing insight into susceptibility to later psychiatric conditions such as schizophrenia. This research integrates molecular neuroscience, developmental neurobiology, and omic approaches to identify windows of vulnerability and targets for intervention. Neurodegeneration is a strategic research focus within our department and more widely across the University of Exeter Medical School, with internationally recognised expertise in Alzheimer's disease and other dementias. We are exploring the molecular, network level and cognitive mechanisms that underlie progressive neuronal loss in human brain tissue and advanced model systems, such as induced pluripotent stem cell and cerebral organoids, or mini-brains. Using a range of techniques including electrophysiology, neuroimaging and cutting-edge genomic approaches, Exeter researchers are at the forefront of identifying novel mechanisms of disease and potential therapeutic targets. A distinctive strand of research here also focuses on awareness and self-perception in dementia. And by integrating theoretical models with neuroimaging, EEG and brain stimulation, researchers are developing novel metrics to assess residual awareness in individuals with dementia. This has significant translational value. Portable EEG and physiological monitoring are now being applied in care settings to support more responsive, personalised interventions aligned with principles of person-centred care. Our research is underpinned by strong clinical partnerships. Our Murray Gillings Neuroimaging Centre provides access to advanced PET-CT and MRI, supporting cutting-edge research and clinical diagnostics. Our diagnostic work expands beyond imaging, with research being undertaken to novel molecular biomarkers in blood, which is enabled through our clinical research facility. The clinical research facility also plays a vital role in enabling our pain research at Exeter, and here we seek to characterise the central mechanisms of pain perception and chronic pain maintenance.
So we're really interested in understanding how pain is processed in the central nervous system, and we use a number of different techniques ranging from handheld tools right up towards neuroimaging. And through doing this, we can get a better understanding how pain is processed during acute and chronic pain states, and how we can modulate this using neurotechnology like immersive virtual reality.
The neuroendocrinology subtheme explores the bidirectional relationship between the brain and hormonal systems involved in stress regulation, metabolic function, and aging. Researchers are investigating how disruptions in these systems contribute to chronic disease and how interventions targeting brain-body communication pathways may promote resilience and healthy aging across the lifespan. Across these 4 subthemes, neuroscience at Exeter is defined by interdisciplinary expertise, strong clinical partnerships, and a clear commitment to translational impact. Our work spans molecules to mind, mechanism to care, and lab to real-world application. This is neuroscience that informs discovery, enables innovation, and improves lives.